Yeah, given that, let's go ahead and dive right into the numbers because I put in some work on some subscribers
Okay.
last week.
Yes. All right.
And
So
Mason, that number didn't seem to grow anymore.
I know. Okay. Here's the thing. To preface, well, actually, hold on. Let's go through the numbers and then I'll talk about.
Okay.
We'll talk about everything.
Okay.
So last week we had these numbers are going to pop up on screen. Last week, last Friday, last Friday, the Friday before last, we had 61 subscribers. We had 589 video uploads, and our total view count was 7,236. Last week we had 611. This week we have 616. Now the reason for that obviously is that Debuff took a week off. And unfortunately, after you see this episode, we're going to take another week off because I left and then Sean left separate weeks. So it's been
summer vacation.
It's been difficult.
You
Yeah.
got to enjoy your summer, boys. To all you out there, go get some sun, get some vitamin D. It's good for you.
Yes, you must. And then if I pull up my calculator here, just double check that I have. This week we accrued 295 views, and we uploaded only 5 videos this week. Like I said,
that's pretty good.
Debuff was out, but 295 views is greater than last week. Last week we had 210 uploads.
And with less videos too.
210 video views.
With less video uploads too.
Yes, which is interesting. So last week we had Sean in here. Last week we had Dan in here. That was great. And we talked about going to the sub count. I said that I was going to ask my family to subscribe, and I only asked one person, and they did it, but it didn't show up.
This is you
on our
dropping
sub
the ball.
list. I dropped the ball.
Dropping
Okay.
the ball. Meanwhile, on
I'm
my
very
end,
introverted.
while I was in Baltimore shooting a music video with my band,
So Dan was up here for that reason.
I got my band all to subscribe, along with a few other people to subscribe as well. So we have now reached
So as of now, we have reached 70 subscribers,
30 more.
which means
30 more.
30 more till 100.
Yeah. Big milestone.
That means that we gained 7 subscribers this week. Now, are those people all going to stick around? Maybe, maybe not. But I'd love to hear your process. I want you to tell me the story.
Well, a few of them were good friends that I know on Instagram. I just reached out to them. I was like, "Hey, man, what have you been up to? How you been doing? And I was just like, "Hey, it would really mean a lot if you want to know and keep up with like the business stuff that I'm doing and like the podcasting and things. If you could just go subscribe to our channel." No one said no. So I mean,
What? So what did they say? They were like,
"Sure, send the link." But the thing is you gotta you don't want it to seem like a copy and pasted message. So I individually messaged like 2 or 3 people and was like, "Yo, you're a good friend of mine. Would you mind doing this for me?" And they were like, "Of course." So I think that's awesome. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And I hope you do watch these videos. And if you do see me saying this, please comment because I love you guys. And I really appreciate you. Also, my band, it was super easy. I just was like, "Guys, I need your help." And they were like, "Done, fam."
yeah. So what was your process with the band, like in person? Were you just like, "Hey, I need it"?
Well, we were talking about videos and like production and stuff like that for the music video. And I was like, "Yo, guys, I got a YouTube channel. And
I gotta ask you a favor.
We're hurting for some subscribers here. And you guys, I know you think I'm a little funny and whatnot. But we needed.
Were they cool about it?
Yeah, they were super cool. So I just put it in our group chat and everyone went to it and subscribed. It was dope.
So I remember, was that Saturday or Sunday or both days?
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday.
So all I remember is like driving to the beach and like it would be like a sub, a sub, a sub. And I was like, at first I was like, what's happening? What video, because I was like, I'm not doing this.
That's me putting in work.
And then I like sometime during the day I was like, wait, Dan is with a bunch of his friends. Maybe he's and so
Yeah.
then I was like, okay, it's gotta be Dan.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try and do that. Like each night or whatever. Like if you could just like message like two of your like friends or acquaintances on like social media. Just like I DM'd a couple people through Instagram. And I was like,
Yeah.
yo, like, what's going on? How you been? Like, what have you been up to? And you talk to them for a little bit and you're like, yo, it would be really helpful if you could just
Yeah.
subscribe to our YouTube channel. You could see what we're doing all the time, hang out a little bit almost.
The thing is we talked about this a week or two ago. I'll put a little card up here about it. The name of the clip was, it was like, do you need subscribers? Just ask your family, something like that.
Yeah.
And this is it in practice. Like we gained 7 subscribers because Dan sent out a few texts,
So maybe it's just like I said, we just need to make a practice of, reaching out to the people we care about, the people who we think may care about what we're doing and what we're doing on the side, and if they'll actually enjoy it or not. Like that's what we just need to consider. Like I'm sure you can think of a few people who probably haven't subscribed yet that might be like, yeah, sure, I'll check it out and subscribe.
Yeah. I mean, for sure, I need to. Well, that's the thing. Anytime anybody says anything about the post that we make, like on the Rixie Instagram or my personal,
send them to
it's
the
like,
thing.
yo, we have a YouTube channel.
But we can't wait. We can't keep waiting for them to reach out to us. We have to reach out to them. It is what it is.
For sure.
But I get it. You are introverted, and I am much more extroverted.
That's the
than
problem.
You, so
I asked my cousin, and he did it, but like it didn't like go through.
he probably didn't have an account or was not signed in.
No. I had him sign in. It's so bizarre. Maybe it'll pop up link next week. But
interesting.
Bunch of new subscribers this week. Welcome to the channel.